How to fix the Chrome no internet error. So if you're trying to load a web page and you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and solve this. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser like this, click on the 3 vertical dots, hover over extensions and press manage extensions. You then need to try disabling all of your extensions. Now you can do that just by toggling them to off like so, and once they're all disabled, try visiting the website and checking if that solves the error. If it's not working, click on the 3 vertical dots again, scroll down to settings. This time scroll down to reset settings, click on restore settings to their original defaults, and then go and press reset. Once again, check to see if that fixes the issue. Now if it's not working, open up the start menu on your computer. Now type in inetcpl.cpl and press enter. You then need to click on connections, click on LAN settings, and make sure user proxy server for your LAN is turned off and disabled like this. Make sure automatically detect settings is also turned on and then press OK. You can then press apply and OK and check if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your start menu, click on settings, click on network and internet, and then you'll need to scroll down to advanced settings. Now scroll down to the network reset, click on reset now, and then just go and press yes. Once your network settings have been reset, you will need to restart your computer. You can then head back over to Chrome and that should have fixed the no internet error.